Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 8, 2024, Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 8, 2024, Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, September 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 8, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 41.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 149.5 million pesos for Sunday, September 8, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 8, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.